Hi everyone. Today we're going to study finding center and radius when general equation of the circle is given. Given the circle with center at HK and the point of the circle represented by XY, and the distance between the center and the point is the radius R. The standard equation of the circle is the quantity x minus h is squared plus the quantity y minus k is squared equals r squared. We're going to expand the squares, so we have now x squared minus 2hx plus h squared plus y squared minus 2ky plus k squared equals r squared. Rearranging the terms, we have now x squared plus y squared minus 2hx minus 2ky plus h squared plus k squared. This r squared on the right is now transposed on the left, so we have negative r squared all equal to 0. We let d equals this negative 2h. We let e equals negative 2k. And we let f equals h squared plus k squared minus r squared. Then we have now x squared plus y squared plus dx plus ey plus f equals 0. This is now what we call the general equation of the circle. Let's go now to finding center and radius when general equation of the circle is given. Given a circle in general equation, and this is x squared plus y squared plus dx plus ey plus f equals 0. Let us now find the center HK. A while ago, we said that d equals negative 2h. We can divide this by negative 2, and the value of h is equal to d over negative 2. Also, we let e equals negative 2k. So we can solve for k by dividing by negative 2. Thus, k equals e over negative 2. Now let us solve for the radius r. We let f equals h squared plus k squared minus r squared. Solving for r, this negative r squared, we're going to transpose on the left side. So from negative, it becomes positive. And this positive f, we're going to transpose on the right side. From positive, it becomes negative. So we have now r squared equals h squared plus k squared minus f. If we take the square root of both sides, we will get the value of r. So we have now r equals the big square root of the quantities h squared plus k squared minus f. Let us have example 1. Find the center and radius of the circle x squared plus y squared minus 2x minus 4y equals negative 5. Draw the circle. For our solution, first let us write the circle in general form. It means to say we want the right side equals 0. So this negative 5 we're going to transpose on the left side. From negative 5 it becomes positive 5. So we have now x squared plus y squared minus 2x minus 4y plus 5 equals 0. We can collect for the d, e, and f. D equals the negative 2. That is the coefficient of x. The e is the coefficient of y. That is negative 4. And the f is this constant 5. Let us now find the center hk. Let's begin with the h, and that is equal to d over negative 2. Our d is negative 2 here, so this is now equal to negative 2 over negative 2, and the quotient is positive 1. This is the value of h. For the k, this is equal to e over negative 2. Substituting the value for e, which is negative 4, so we have now negative 4 over negative 2. And the quotient is positive 2. So in here, our center is 1, 2. Let us now find the radius. And our formula is r equals the big square root h squared plus k squared minus f. Substituting the values, the h squared is 1 squared plus the k squared is now 2 squared and negative f. Our f is 5. So here is negative 5. Simplifying further, the 1 square is simply 1 plus 2 square is 4, then minus 5. If we add 1 plus 4, it will be positive 5, and this is minus 5. We will get 0 inside the radical symbol. So the square root of 0 is simply 0. So the radius equals 0. When we draw the circle using GeoGebra, first we find the center, and that is the point 1, 2. And the radius is 0. It means to say the point itself is the circle, and we call this point circle. This is our final answer. Let's have example 2. Find the center and radius of the circle for x squared plus 4y squared plus 4x minus 12y plus 1 equals 0. Draw the circle. For our solution, let us translate the equation to general form. Let us divide the equation by the coefficient of x squared and y squared, and that is 4. So each term we will divide by 4, so we have now x squared plus y squared plus x minus 3y plus 1/4 equals 0. So this is now the general equation of the circle. From here, we know that the value of d is 1, the value of e is negative 3, and the f is 1/4. Let's now begin by finding the center hk. The formula for h equals d over negative 2. Our d here is positive 1, so we have 1 over negative 2. And the h is the negative 1/2. For the k, this is equal to e over negative 2. The e is negative 3, so we have here negative 3 over negative 2. Simplifying the negatives, we have positive 3 over 2. This is the value of k. So the center is negative 1/2, 3/2. Let us now solve for the radius r. And the formula is r equals the square root of the quantity h squared plus k squared minus f. Substituting the values, we have the h squared to be the square of negative 1/2 plus the k squared is the square of 3/2 minus f. Our f is this 1/4. Simplifying further, the square of negative 1/2 is positive 1/4 plus the square of 3/2 is 9 over 4, then minus 1/4. This positive 1/4 and negative 1/4 cancels each other. So we have here equals the square root of the 9 over 4. We can simplify this, so we have r equals 3 over 2. Using GeoGebra, let us now draw the circle. So this is the circle 4x squared plus 4y squared plus 4x minus 12y plus 1 equals 0. We can see that the center is the negative 1/2, 3/2. But in here it is given as decimal. And our radius is 3 over 2. And the radius here is given also as decimal. This is our final answer. I hope you learned something from this video. See you again next time.